Prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. It usually comes before a noun or pronoun, but it can also come before a verb. Prepositions can be used to show location, direction, time, manner, or purpose. Here are some examples of prepositions. In. The cat is in the box. On. The book is on the table. Under. The dog is under the bed. Behind. The tree is behind the house. To. I went to the store. From. I came from the store. With. I ate lunch with my friends. About. I talked about the movie. Of. The book of poems is on the table. Here are some examples of how prepositions can be used in sentences. The cat is in the box. The preposition "in" shows the location of the cat. The book is on the table. The preposition "on" shows the location of the book. The dog is under the bed. The preposition "under" shows the location of the dog. The tree is behind the house. The preposition "behind" shows the location of the tree. I went to the store. The preposition "to" shows the direction of my movement. I came from the store. The preposition "from" shows the direction of my movement. I ate lunch with my friends. The preposition "with" shows the company I was in. I talked about the movie. The preposition "about" shows the topic of my conversation. The book of poems is of the table. The preposition "of" shows the possession of the book. Conclusion. Prepositions are a useful tool for showing the relationship between words in a sentence. By understanding how to use prepositions effectively, we can make our writing and speech more clear and concise.